Out here in the garage. This is going to be part 3 of me messing with the Sting. Today I'm going to be taking off all the plastics and prepping them for paint. Let's get started. Okay, so we got all the plastics off. Now I'm gonna start cleaning the frame. It's kind of dirty. And I'm gonna show you guys how to restore. Starting to turn black right there. It's bringing that plastic back to life. The little things like this when you're doing stuff like this that really makes a bike look new again. I don't know if you guys can tell the difference between that once that cools down. But check that out. Yeah, I mean, of course I need to hit it up here a little better, but you guys can see what I'm saying. Like it is flat black like it was originally, and it doesn't look gray. Check it out. So here it is, all finished painted. Turned out pretty good. I'm pretty happy with it. It still doesn't run. It's a nice looking bike, but it doesn't run. Yeah, so I'm still waiting on the kickstart lever. I ordered it. Hopefully it'll get here sooner than later. But at least I got the bike the color I wanted it. I also pressure washed the engine and got out a lot of the grime and stuff that was down here, and painted it back black. And same with the drive shaft. I painted it and cleaned it. Really at this point I'm waiting on that kickstart lever so I can try to get it running stock first before I start modding it. Hopefully it'll crank right over. I've been cleaning the tank with what is it, the Vaporus stuff. Yeah, Vaporus, and it's been in there for probably over 2 weeks now. I'll probably drain that out like tomorrow, but I kind of ran out of time today. I don't know, I might still paint this white. I think this is supposed to be white. Probably not the flap, but this needs to be white, I think. It doesn't look bad black, but I think it's supposed to be white. I might paint that tomorrow too. But yeah, this is it. I think it turned out pretty good. Pretty sweet.